Hello guys, Goodbye Public here. Today, before we start any videos, I just want to say sorry for just swapping out of my channel for at least 1 month. I was busy with personal things and did not have any time to record. So, as a special episode, I'm uploading a Bukkit plugin tutorial, the first one. So please enjoy. And also, I have to delete all my others recordings because I upload it only because I want to upload it to YouTube. So every video will have a purpose now. So this video's purpose is to teach you how to make Bukkit plugins. Please follow me along and enjoy. Alright guys, as you guys saw on the intro, I have been making videos for a month. So, let's begin with Bukkit plugin tutorial, the first version. So, before you begin, we need Eclipse from eclipse.org, Craftbukkit or Spigot from dlbukkit.org, download/Craftbukkit. So, we're going to go to internet, and we're going to first go to eclipse.org, downloads, and you should see this Java IDE for Java developers. You can download this by clicking on the Windows version you have. So yeah, once you have that, this thing will show up, and what you're gonna do, well, make sure you get the latest version of Craftbukkit. What you're gonna do is go to File, New, Java Project. You can name this anything wrong, but I'm gonna name it YouTube. So, under the Package Explorer, you should see it says YouTube. Under here, you're gonna go to SR. Actually, before you do that, you're gonna click on YouTube, Properties, Java Build Path. So, you're gonna do this to add your latest version of Craftbukkit or Spigot onto your package. So it has extension reference libraries. It gets all this. I don't even know what this is, but okay. So, now I'm going to click on src new package. You're going to name this anything else. Let's make sure you new.yourname.youtube. Your name should be your name, not your name. And you're going to name this YouTube. So, this blank topic will show up without the dot on the package, like this. The first thing you're going to do is that your Java will not know that this will extend the Bukkit plugin, so you're going to put extends Java plugin, and it automatically will show up an error with this sign. You're going to just get your cursor here, and it'll be 3 quick fixes available. Import org .bukkit.plugin Java plugin. You're going to import that, and it doesn't matter wherever you want these brackets, either here, here, all over here, down. Personally, I like down, so I'll just do it down. And you're going to do public static YouTube plugin. This will just define that this will be a plugin, and this will manage your enable and disable commands. So once you enable your server, this will enable getlogger.info enable. This is what it'll show when you enable your server. It should say that on your console. And same here, if you disable this thing in here should show disabled. Now, important part, boolean. The boolean part will run all your commands, so this is very important. On command send the sender, command string labels, string. So, and you're gonna put return false under the thing you make, and it's just essentially gonna show up errors straight away. So what you're gonna do here, on underline command center import org.command, same with here. Make sure you do the commands, and for this sender, you could change this anything you want. You could name it S. It'll not show up in error only because you have the command center as your main. This is just a suffix providing it. Same with this, and this. But since that's just how we promised to do, I'm just gonna do it that way. And then now this will manage your commands. If label or whatever you put here dot equals ignore case, you're gonna put the big things tutorial. Now this part is where it's gonna say slash. If someone does slash tutorial, you're gonna print out or send the sender a message and say this is a YouTube plugin by GB, and it'll just print that out. That's pretty much all for the basics. So if label.equals ignore case tutorial, it's gonna send the sender, this is a YouTube plugin made by GB. Sender meaning the one that executed slash tutorial. That's about it. Now the important part, you're gonna click on this package new, and you're gonna click on file, name it plugin. This is required for every plugin you make. And if you don't have Notepad++, this will not show. This will just show like right here. But since I have Notepad++, I'll go with this. And name it name, author, version, description, and then main commands. So the name should be your class, or what's it right here? YouTube, author, GB. You can name this anything you want. Just make sure you name the name thing for your class version 1.0. YouTube tutorial. Main. This is the important part. So it's gonna be your the package you put in there. Whoops. Me dot your name dot YouTube dot and your class name YouTube. Commands. What you're gonna put here is the command you want executed. Do not put slash. Slash is always done. So you're gonna put 2 spaces tutorial. Make sure you do the same with this one, and you're gonna put 2 again description. It's 4 from the start. Print first Bukkit plugin by GB. Okay, so your plugin.yml is done. You can just exit this out. Now you're gonna go plugin.yml and either hit refresh button or F5. There's a refresh button when you right click it, refresh F5. Make sure you refresh your package also. So it's all refreshed, and you're done. You're done with your first Bukkit plugin. You've imported 3 sources. We learned static there, and what it manages your disable and enable. You put manages your console enable message and disable message. Some of these you have to memorize to make a plugin, so make sure you memorize these, this part and this boolean part. So yeah, now you just go save, you go file, export, jar file under Java, and click on YouTube. You include all this, and yeah, finish. Oh, I'm gonna rename this. You can rename this tutorial. Save it, and it's all saved. As you can see, it's right here. This thing. So you can. I'll show you that it'll run. So let me get my server ready, and see you guys then. All right, we're back in the server. Let's check if it actually works. /tutorial. It says a YouTube plugin made by GB. So yay, it does work. And when you also do /plugin, you should show your plugin that's right here. And these are the plugins I made, just so you know. Well, some of them I made in here. And this is just my testing server, so don't worry. And when you do /help YouTube, it should show the commands from YouTube /tutorial, the one that we put in plugin YML, or right here, this thing, tutorial. That's what's showing it right here. And this is only if you have installed essentials to your server. So yeah, that was it. That's all. We checked it worked. It worked. Okay. So the next video, just a little spoiler, that I will do some more string objects such as chat coloring and config files. Maybe I'll go there into later on. And then we're going to go into healing others, teleportation, and some time management. So that's just it for the plans I have right now. So yeah, I'm going to end the episode right here. Thanks guys for watching. Please comment, subscribe, leave a like, and show your support to my channel by donating at the link at the description above. So yeah, thanks. Goodbye.